Hello everyone. Today I'm here again to discuss the new PMP examination. With me I have Mr. Abhijit Pradhan from Big Bang Consultants, who has more than 30 years of experience into project management across different industries. In fact, he has been helping organizations, large organizations, to implement project management standards and concepts and achieve benefits out of it. So we at Big Bang Consultants, we have got the opportunity to become the one of the first ATPs, that is the authorized training partners with Project Management Institute PMI for the new PMP examination, and we were fortunate enough to get a training for the same. So, Mr. Pradhan, as we were the part of the training, we really got good insights into what this new PMP is going to look like and what it is
Mhm.
going to be about.
Okay.
So, can you tell us more about the basic foundational elements of the new PMP?
Yeah, Tasneem, this is a really important question because it's very important to understand that how exactly this new PMBOK new PMP examination is decided. So basically, there are total three domains on which this entire curriculum is based. The first one is people, second is processes, and third is business environment. These are the three areas. And as you rightly said that why it's important, because finally who will do the project, because finally people will do the project. So
Okay.
who will do is a question is which is given, the answer is given to process people, and finally people will use processes, okay,
Okay.
and then processes finally it works in certain business environment. So these three are very important, and against which the entire the curriculum is based. Now,
Okay.
Tasneem, I would like to ask you one more important. As you know, you are also Tasneem. As you know, you are a very popular trainer on PMP certification trainer, and so you also have done a lot of study on PMP. So I would like to ask you the one important question is that uh, can you give the details about that? These are the three structures of people, processes, and then business environment. So can you just give the more details about that?
Yes, yes. So basically, as you rightly mentioned, that it has the foundational elements, three foundational elements are people, process, and business environment. Uh, as far as details are concerned, there is a percentage division of content among these three elements. So the first domain, which is people, it actually is going to constitute 42% of the content.
Okay.
The second domain, which is process, is going to consist of 50% of the content, which is the maximum one. And the third
Uh-huh.
one, as you rightly mentioned, business environment, is
Okay.
going to constitute 8% of the content. So the content is going to be spread across these three elements in this manner.
Oh, very good.
My question to you would be can you just give me some example, like how business environment comes into play? Can you just give me one example from your real life experience?
Okay. So it's very, the same, as you know, in IT industry, or we all use a computer, and there is a command called the copy paste command. Okay. You copy something and paste somewhere.
Sure.
Unfortunately, in project management, that is not possible because you just can't take the processes and people and take them, and then, everything works fine everywhere. No, it's not. So business environment plays the very important role where you are doing this project. Let us say which country, the culture of that country, then legal laws, laws present in that country. Then every company, every organization has its own compliances. So we have to consider everything. And when somebody is working in that environment, the uh, the outcome is always very different. So we can always use the processes. Of course, processes is the backbone of everything. We have people, but then finally they work. So let me give one example. For example, recently I come across to one organization which has started project in a very different country.
Okay.
Okay, and this country is actually I would not like to mention the name of the country or anything,
Okay.
but it's not a very well-known country. But and it's in one of the corner of the building in the world. but the rules are so strange there at that it's very difficult to deliver that project. And this team is going from India to that country. So I got the opportunity to interact with that, to give the training to that team just 2 weeks back. So when I was interacting with them, so I realized that the environment, how it is important, because whatever we were discussing, there was a very different element to that. So that was the importance of, you can say, business environment. Tasneem, I would like to ask you more details about that. Typically how many say chapters are there in against say people and processes and business environment? Can you give more details about that?
Sure, sure. So basically, the exam content outline, the new exam content outline, which is the ECO for the new PMP exam, has listed this further details about all the 3 domains. And the new design divides content into tasks. And so for each domain, we have a few number of tasks. So as I said earlier, yeah, so people is 42%, and it has 14 tasks under it, including motivating people and all that stuff. Process has, which is like 50% of the entire content, has 17 tasks under it, like execution, managing communication, managing stakeholders, things like that. And the final one, which is business environment, which is 8%, has 4 tasks under it. It's like about compliance and adapting to the environmental change and all. So that is how the entire content outline, there is a distribution of tasks in this manner. The maximum go to the process, then next to people, and the last one is business environment.
Okay. So I'm very sure that once anyone who is going for the new version of PMP 7 version 7, once they have the idea that this, they are working in this environment, the people part, the processes part, and business environment part, and when they will relate the 5 chapters which are part of the this new PMBOK, they will be able to relate it more easily. And I think in our next sessions, we will talk more about those chapters, and we'll give more about, the details about that, summarization of what exactly it contains. And then in the near future, we'll go into the more details about that chapter, right? Correct?
Sure, sure, sure. Yes, we'll do that. We'll give more details about the chapters in our coming session.
Okay. To summarize, it is people 42%, processes 50%, and 8% is for business environment. So this entire curriculum is based on that. Thank you so much, Tasneem.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Mr. Pradhan. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.